This class you will learn calculating average and identifying deviation, understanding defect rates and their implication, using statistical data to inform quality improvements. That means you will learn after completing this session. And the next one is introduction. Objective of the session: understand basic statistical tools to improve production quality, make data-driven decision with confidence. Why statistics matter in production? Why statistics matter in production? Real life example: a line with high defect rate versus a line with consistent output. Consistent output is the most important fact. Is consistent output. Average and deviation, mean average calculation. Formula: total output. Formula: total output, division number of days. An example: line A produced 500, 520, 480, 510, 490. That is why you have to